So it's now 1 AM on the Spirit of Tasmania, which is it's rocking. It's going to be quite bumpy tonight, according to the captain. It's not too bad at the moment, but yeah, it as you can see, it's a beautiful ship. There's two identical ships. They're going to build two bigger ones when we're been trying to get them built in Europe, but the companies keep going bust. I'm actually starting to hang on to the sides now, so it's getting a bit bumpy. You won't see that, of course, because I'm using my Z arm. But no, this is, and that's a restaurant there. The restaurant which serves excellent food. And there you go. It's open from 6 PM and dinner from 5:30. It's all closed now, but yeah, and it's not too expensive. It really isn't. I'm sorry about all the background noise. Nothing I can do about that. So yeah, you can walk around here. It's as you can see, it looks very empty, but everyone's in the cabins or in the recliners. There's an excellent bar. Okay, so yeah, a lot of people use the bar during the earlier hours. But no, this is quite good actually. Oh, it's a couple of late travellers. So, but yeah, it's a beautiful ship. And there's a cinema. There's a cinema down there. There's a casino which is closed at this time, but there are two cinemas. So we've got cinema 1. Sorry, we have cinema 1, and we have cinema 2. Okay, so yeah, it's a question. It's quite a big ship. We're in the middle of Bass Strait at the moment, which is a stretch of water between the mainland of Australia and Tasmania. Very, very rough at times. I've been through here on this Storm Force 11 to Storm Force 12, which is very, that's very, very rough. Yeah. Okay. So yes, hello. Okay. So yeah, this is Gold Devon's Green Stairwell is where I'm parked at the bottom today. So yeah, this is Spirit of Tasmania. We've got Spirit of Tasmania 1 and Spirit of Tasmania 2. Reception desk, and this is the library, which is, in actual fact, they're not real books, they're just wallpaper. But yeah, so we'll go back to where I was. Yeah. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.